Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's take a look again at the euro currency. We can see that the euro currency is consolidating around the support area. Well, and looks like this support works. This is daily oversold around the confluence support, slightly lower than the confluence support. Spread was swing high, and take a look, monthly pivot support 1. So that is about the technical issue. From the fundamental point of view, guys, you know that on the 7th of November we will get finally the gross domestic product for the third quarter of the United States. It's preliminary data, so that will be really significant numbers. Also, tomorrow we will get European Central Bank meeting, and rumors now stand about possible decreasing of the interest rate by the European Central Bank. In fact, maybe from the technical point of view, market stands in the tight range due to some technical issues, but fundamentally, investors just wait two significant events that we will get tomorrow. Maybe that's why market stands in the contraction. So you can see that the volatility decreased significantly, and investors just wait when these events will happen. Well, on the daily time frame, you can see that market is forming side by side inside trading sessions. That's very typical when the market expects something, and usually after such as a consolidation, some fast action should come, either to the upside or to the downside. That is, in fact, building an energy. So you can see inside session was yesterday, compares to the Monday that today we also currently have inside session to the previous one. Well, that's why on the daily time frame hardly has changed something. In fact, just a few moments that I could add here. The most interesting for us will be the 4-hour time frame chart. Since yesterday we said that we expect to see some bounce to the upside due to the support on the market. And we said that this bounce up could happen by some Jordan-Napoli pattern, and we prefer to see the double ripple Y, because this pattern will have the target, minimum target right here is 136.13 area. Minimum target is the 50% level of the whole thrust of the double ripple. Stands right here, right around the weekly pivot point that also hasn't been tested yet by the price action. Take a look what we have slightly higher. Slightly higher we have the 50% resistance of the whole thrust to the downside. That stands in agreement with top of the potential head and shoulders pattern that we also have discussed here. So market still has chances to create the head and shoulders here if we will get the retracement somewhere in an area around 136.40, 136.45. That is also monthly pivot point that has been tested yet. Well, a lot of moments to watch for from the technical point of view. So what we have now, guys? Now we have the confirmed double ripple pattern. So we have thrust down, close above the 3x3. Market has not reached the significant resistance that we have right here. That is the first significant resistance, 3.8 from the whole thrust down, 135.72. Close below the 3x3. Tops very close to each other, or they are suitable for the double ripple pattern, and take a look, close above again. That's the confirmation bar for the double ripple buy pattern. That suggests the minimum target right here. Well, technically, guys, this action is possible maybe due to some position closing by the investors right at the eve of the European Central Bank meeting and the gross domestic product release. Maybe this will be some basis for possible bounce to the upside. This pattern, guys, is significant for us by another reason as well, because the double ripple pattern stands side by side with such pattern as the double repo failure. And the double repo failure is also Jordan-Napoli directional pattern that suggests the possible continuation with the previous trend. So if market will show inability to continue move in the direction of the confirmed pattern and will return right back down and close below the 618 support of the whole move to the upside, that we will see, that will be the double repo failure, and that pattern will show that market should continue move to the downside. So the failure of the direct pattern will mean that market will proceed lower with this trend, and this will tell us that probably the breakout of these tight consolidations, now it looks like the flag pattern on the daily time frame, will follow to the downside. It will mean that market will not show any bounce in any head and shoulders and just will continue move lower. Well, current action we could treat as the retracement until this level, because we have the completed ABCD pattern, and if it will reach 131.66, in fact that is the final edge for bullish continuation. Until this moment, the retracement after completing of the ABCD pattern will be suitable for the development of the bullish trend, but if market will pass through it, take out of these lows, that will not be the just retracement, that will be the reversal. But in the nearest term, we need to watch for this pattern. So guys, if you would like to try to trade this pattern on the long side of the market, there are reasons for that, because we have the confirmed pattern and market still has chances to continue move up, because major fundamental events will come only tomorrow. Until tomorrow, market easily could reach this area, test the weekly pivot point, complete the target of the double repo, and then turn to the downside. That's also possible. But keep an eye on the possible failure, because both patterns, as direct patterns, as possible a failure of the direct pattern, are both important for us, because they will be indicators of possible direction. And do not treat the possible failure of this pattern as some lose, because as some lost, because that will just tell you that market will continue move to the downside. Well, the trading of the double repos is always very tricky. But as we have the double repo right at the oversold and the significant support, the chances are not bad that market still will show some bounce to the upside. Well, currently, in fact, I can't add anything more. Let's see what will happen with this double repo, and the major events will come tomorrow, so hardly something will happen besides of this double repo till tomorrow session.